Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. Today, we have the Tusk cylinder for the Yamaha YZ250, years 2003, all the way up to the current models. If your cylinder, it's old, it's worn out, or if it's damaged, you need to replace it, you're not going to beat the value of this cylinder. We've used them here at Rocky Mountain. We've tested the heck out of these things. They perform awesome. It's the same build spec as your OEM cylinder. It's a cast aluminum construction, and just like the OEM on the inside, you have your electroplated nickel silicone carbide finish on there. Like I said, we've used several of these. They work awesome, and the price, you're just not going to beat it, so it's going to save you a lot of money. On top of that, you guys know the deal. We have the best how-to videos. So if you've never replaced your cylinder or a piston, if you've never done, say, a top end, we have how-to videos that are the most detailed you're going to find that walk you through step by step. The other great bonus, too, is along with this cylinder, we also have full cylinder top-end rebuild kits. So on the table here to my left, I've got the Tusk piston with the Tusk top-end gasket kit. Our pistons are built from a reputable manufacturer that makes pistons for other top brands. Again, these are built to spec for this cylinder. But let's say you buy the Tusk cylinder, but there's a different brand of piston or top-end gasket kit that you want to go with. Well, we have you covered, because not only can you buy this separate by itself, but you could buy this cylinder and we have it kitted with, say, a Vertex piston and a Cometic gasket kit. Or you can get an OEM gasket kit with an OEM piston to match up to the cylinder. So we've got a lot of different combinations depending on your preference as a rider. And like I said, once you've bought everything you need, go watch our how-to videos, because there we tell you everything that is needed, from the tools, the parts, everything, and we walk you through step by step. So not only do you save a lot of money on the cylinder and the other parts, but you also get to learn some new mechanic skills as well. If you have questions, comments, please leave those down below. We will get those answered. To grab one of these and see all the different kits available, click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free, over $75. If you like this video and you want to stay up to date on products like this, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. And if you liked it, if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.